2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.